Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to split payments on Amazon. The first option is paying with Affirm. Affirm lets you pay over time on Amazon for eligible items. If your purchase is around $50, you may be able to pay it off over 3 to 6 months. For larger purchases, usually around $1,500 or more, Affirm may offer longer payment plans that can go up to 48 months. The exact plan depends on the item and your account. It is important to understand that Affirm is not available on every item. Only some products support Affirm, and you will only see it at checkout if the item qualifies. Another option is using a Synchrony Bank financing option or an Amazon store card issued by Synchrony. This option also allows you to pay over time instead of all at once. In most cases, the minimum purchase amount is $50. Just like Affirm, this option is not available for every item. Only select products are eligible, and Amazon will show the option during checkout if it applies. You may also see Amazon's built-in pay over time feature on some products. This is an Amazon installment plan offered directly by Amazon. It is only available if the seller has enabled it for that product, and not all sellers do. Always review the payment details before placing your order so you understand the schedule and total cost. Thanks for watching.